Before you make any decision on buying Proof, there are 7 critical things you need to know to ensure you're getting the best deal and the most value. Let's dive into it, comparing it to other options out there and laying out the facts. First, Proof offers a unique and user-friendly approach to conversion optimization. Unlike other platforms, Proof leverages social proof to increase your conversions, which is a game changer for your sales funnel. If you've tried other tools like Opt-in Monster or TrustPulse, you'll quickly realize that Proof's ability to display real-time notifications, such as recent purchases or sign-ups, is highly customizable and far more impactful in generating trust with your visitors. Next thing, Proof is incredibly easy to integrate with a variety of platforms. You don't need to be a tech expert to get started. It connects seamlessly with your website, CRM, and even email marketing systems. While many competitors require coding or complex setups, Proof's simple drag-and-drop interface makes it incredibly straightforward. If you're someone who wants results fast, Proof's easy setup will save you time and headaches. The third thing, Proof's analytics are top-notch. Unlike other tools that give you basic conversion data, Proof provides in-depth insights into how your visitors are interacting with your site and which notifications are driving the most conversions. This feature allows you to optimize in real time, meaning you can make quick adjustments based on solid data rather than guesswork. With competitors, this level of detailed reporting often comes at a premium, but Proof includes it in its base offering. Now, the fourth thing you need to know is that Proof's real-time notifications drive urgency and trust in a way few other platforms can. When visitors see that others are making purchases or signing up, it taps into the psychological principle of social proof, which is scientifically proven to influence decision-making. Compared to other tools that offer less interactive notifications, Proof's personalized and dynamic alerts have shown to significantly boost sales conversions. The fifth thing, Proof is incredibly scalable. Whether you're just starting your e-commerce journey or running a large-scale business, Proof can grow with you. It allows you to adjust your campaigns easily as your business needs evolve, and the platform can handle everything from small to enterprise-level needs. Other tools often have limitations when it comes to scalability or require you to upgrade to expensive plans to unlock advanced features. Next thing. One standout feature of Proof is its A/B testing capabilities. While other platforms may offer A/B testing as an add-on or only in higher tier plans, Proof includes it across all levels. This means you can test different messaging, design, and timing for your social proof notifications to see what works best for your audience. The flexibility and transparency Proof provides in its testing are essential for data-driven marketing strategies. The seventh thing you should know is the customer support. Proof stands out here as well. They provide timely, knowledgeable support to help you get the most out of your campaigns. Whether you're troubleshooting an issue or need advice on best practices, their team is available and eager to help. This level of support often makes a huge difference, especially when compared to other tools where getting a response can be slow or their support is outsourced and less effective. So if you're considering purchasing Proof, these are the 7 critical things you need to know before making a decision. Proof offers a robust, user-friendly experience that rivals some of the best-known platforms in the industry. If you want to try Proof for yourself and see how it can help you optimize your conversions, click the first link in the description to get the best free trial and some exclusive benefits you won't find anywhere else. Don't miss out. This could be the game changer your business needs.